is what impact all of this has had on his family.
Yeah, after there was protest rallies in the city. He has 4 children.
Yes, yes.
2 of them were studying in school.
लड़ाई झगड़े तो है ही सर।
मतलब कि मजहब के हवाले से या इस हवाले
मजहब के हवाले से अदालतां दे विच कोई दसदा पिया 100 बंदा एक नूं बुलाया उन्हें आख्या जी वो ते फलाने मोटरसाइकिल ते फड़ के लिया बाहरों फड़ के लिया
This law is a tool in the hands of extremists to victimize the innocent people of Pakistan. Many innocent people belongs to minority and majority have been registered under the pretext of blasphemy law. People have been killed extrajudicially, people are in prison, and most of the bases in the blasphemy cases are the personal disputes, economic reasons, political, religious and other differences. So, the recent case of Asia Bibi is also one of the example of the misuse of blasphemy law, and this law is discriminatory. This blasphemy law became a discriminatory law because minority feel insecure due to the growing misuse of blasphemy law.